back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to disable Duress Passcode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch open the application and log in using your credential. I have set up this password for my second wallet. Now you can see that my wallet 2 has been logged in. Here I cannot log in to my wallet 1. So to disable the Duress Passcode, go to the settings tab. Now click on security tab and you will see disable Duress Passcode. Now click on it. After that, type in the passcode. Here you can see that the Duress Passcode has been disabled. And you can log in with any of your wallets from here. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.